dear student. How are you? Fine. Today we are in our third lecture of chemical kinetic for NEET and JEE. Now we are going to solve some questions which are IMP for our exam. Some shortcut we will also discuss. The half-life period periods of a reaction at initial concentration are 0.1 mole per liter and 0.5 mole per liter. Are 200 second and 40 second and 40 second respectively. The order of the reaction is I am giving you question half-life period of reaction at initial concentration 0.1 mole per liter and 0.5 mole per liter હતી ત્યારે T1 is T1 in first case 200 second, T1 in the second case is 40 second, R1 here is R2. R1 means first condition, R2 means second, R0 initial in first condition, initial in second condition. So here I am giving you shortcut for getting order of the reaction. So T1 in second condition upon T1 in first condition equal to initial concentration in first condition, initial concentration second condition raised to n minus 1. This is shortcut. T1 in second condition is 40. In first, here units will be same. Second cut. So here will be 1 by 5. R0 initial in first condition 0.1. Here is 0.5 raised to n minus 1. So it is 1 upon 5 raised to n minus 1. Here base 1 upon 5 is common. So we can compare rest of it. So 1 equal to n minus 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So order of the reaction is 2. Understood? This is our trick. Take the screenshot. Now next question. Question new. Starting with 1 mole of A. Starting with 1 mole of A reactant. Question is like this. Starting with 1 mole of a compound A. It is found that the reaction is 3/4 completed in 1 hour. Calculate the rate constant of the reaction. Rate constant of the reaction for first order reaction. Order of reaction is given, which is first order reaction. Find out key rate constant. Here initial concentration is 1 mole. Now remaining 1 minus x. So x equal to 3/4 completed. So remaining a minus x minus 1 minus 3/4. So 4 minus 3/4, 1/4. So we know for first order reaction T equal to 2.303 upon T log A upon A minus x. Time is given in 1 hour. Log 1 upon A minus x direct 1/4. So 4 comes up. Value of log 4 we know 0.6021 and multiplication of it comes 1.386 over inverse. This is our answer. બધાને બરાબર દેખાય છે ને છોકરાઓ? everybody વિડિયો બરાબર વ્યવસ્થિત જોતા રહેજો. It will be beneficial for you. And take the screenshot. Next question. In our next question, a first order reaction has a rate constant of 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 second inverse. How long will 5 gram of this reaction take to reduce 3 gram? Means 5 gram reactant. Here our substance is in solid state. So gram is our concentration. Initial concentration 5 gram and final is 3 gram. So our final concentration is given. Initial is 5 gram. Final is A minus x. Direct. Don't subtract. Reduced 3 gram. Reduced to 3 gram. So final. So K equal to આ યુઝ થાય છે ને ફાઇનલ આટલી થાય છે log A upon A minus x. So here K is given 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 2.303 T. We have to define log 5/3. So T will be 2.303 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 log 5 minus log 3. So actually here 10 raised to 3. Value of log 5 0.6990. Value of log 3 0.4771. 2.303 10 raised to 3 upon 15. 0.10 minus 1 9 8 1. Here is 1 2 2.2219. So now multiplication and division of this calculation comes 34.07 second. Is our answer. K is in second inverse, so our time comes in second. Understood? This is our answer. Now some new concept. Next question. The chemical reaction two mole of ozone gives 3 mole of oxygen gas. Decomposition. Here K1 proceeds as follows. O3 gas, here equilibrium constant. This reaction is reversible. Gives O2 plus O. Equation 1, which is fast, given in question. Fast state in equilibrium. So it occurs in both directions. A reaction by reaction માં થાય છે. Now O occurred O reacting with O3 and gives 2O2. This is slow. What should be the rate law expression? What should be the rate expression? Yes, rate law we have to derive. We know this one is fast, this one slow. So slower step answer should be rate determining. So this lower step gives the rate K O into O3. It is clear? But listen, in the slower step, O is our intermediate product of the faster step, and which is reversible. So we have to derive, this is not answer. We have to derive first value of O. Our first reaction ma equilibrium છે. There is equilibrium. And the velocity of forward reaction and velocity of backward both are same. So here K1 into O3. K1 into O3 for forward reaction. Now for backward, K2 into O2 into O. So from O, value of O will be K1 into O3 upon K2 and O2. Put down value of 4 into third. So rate equal to K. Here K1 into O3 into O3 upon K2 into O2. So all the 3 K means constant K0. O3 2 times. So square of it, O2 comes here, so it will be -1. This is our true answer. Rate expression. समझाયું? Slower one is right determined, it's okay. But in slower one step, when our intermediate product is there, so we have to define value of intermediate by using this formula, and that value put up here. So he gives now total rate of reaction 2 minus 1. So overall rate of reaction is 1 here. Now next, in the following reaction, next question. In the following reaction, 2NO gas plus O2 gas gives 2NO2 gas. K dash is given here. What is the predicted rate law? Same question. Rate law. If the mechanism is NO gas plus O2 gives NO3, here KEQ means equilibrium, constant NO3. This step is fast. Now NO3 react with NO gives 2 NO2. One oxygen comes here. NO2 plus NO2. This one is a slow step. Find out the rate law, rate expression same. Which one is the slower? Yes, slower step should be rate determining. So rate equal to K, NO3 into NO, these two. Now remember, here our NO is NO3 is intermediate of first equation. So we have to define, and which is reversible and in equilibrium. So at equilibrium, velocity of forward and velocity of reverse reaction are same. So K1 into NO into O2 equal to K2 into NO3. For getting NO3, value of NO3, we are simplifying the K1 NOO2 upon K2. Put down value second in the first. So rate equal to K1 NOO2 and K2, and it is O2 already present, NO is there. Instead of NO3, this value comes. So all three are constant. NO2 times, so there should be square. NO2 one times. This is our actual rate law for this reaction. And total number of order is 3. If it is asked rate of reaction, so it should be 3. Now, second question. Many times asked this type of question, we are going to solve many times. This type of question is asked in NEET and JEE. So here first question, So by using rate laws, so using by rate laws, yes, so by using rate law, how much the rate of reaction is given 2 NO gas plus O2 gives 2 NO2 gas will change the volume of the reaction vessel is diminished means decreasing to 1/3 of its initial volume. It means that for this reaction, volume we are decreasing 1/3. આ રિએક્શનમાં સપોઝ ઇનિશિયલ વોલ્યુમ 1 લિટર છે, we are decreasing 1/3 liter. So you can see pressure will be thrice. Why? When we decrease the volume, pressure increases. It is decreased 1/3, so pressure will be 3 times 1/3, so it will be 3 times. In the gaseous state, pressure is its concentration. So suppose initial rate is K. Here NO raised to 2, NO raised to 1. Why? This reaction is elementary, occurs in one state. So stoichiometric coefficient comes as a rest power. In elementary reaction, it occurs in one state. Now volume is 1/3, so pressure will be NO of 3 times more, and of the O2 also 3 times more. So rate equal to K, 3 NO raised to square and 3 O2 raised to 1. Equation 1 divided by 2, second equation divided by 1, so K 9 NO square 3 O2 upon K NO square NO2. These are cut, so 27. So final rate, when we decrease our volume 1/3, so final rate will be 27 times more than initial rate. So this type of question asked in exam. Now next, for a reaction, next question, for a reaction 3A gives product. Yes, it is found that the rate of reaction doubles if the concentration of A is increased 4 times. It is increased 4 times. Calculate the order of the reaction. Order of the reaction we have to define. શું કીધું છે? Reaction છે ક્રિયા gives product. Rate of reaction we can double. So concentration of A is increased 4 times. So suppose R1 is equal to K A raised to Xn. We have to derive. Concentration of A is 4 times. So rate became double. R2 is then 2 times R. So R2 equal to K A raised to 4 A raised to N. Here R2 is equal to 2 times R1. Second equation divided by first. So K 4 raised to N A raised to N. K A raised to N cut. So 2 equal to 4 raised to N. Very simple. So 2 raised to 2N. So 2N equal to 1. So N equal to 1 by 2. Another method. We have to apply both side log. When we apply both side log, so rest comes in multiplication. Value of log 2 0.3010. Here 0.6021. So N will be 0.3010 upon 0.6021. So 1 by 2. Second method. Any method we can use. Initial concentration is suppose A. Now it became 4 times. So rate is double. So R2 instead of R2 जगह 2R1 લીધું double થઈ જાય. So 2R1 upon R1. So cut. Then 4 raised to N equal to 2. Our square of 2 means 4. So 2 is common. Here as a rest. So 2N base is common. So 2N is equal to 1. Otherwise here both sides applied log. So we get some same answer 1 by 2. Now next question. Vegetable ghee. Question about vegetable ghee. The hydrogenation of vegetable ghee at 25 degrees Celsius reduces the pressure of hydrogen from 2 atmosphere to 1.2 atmosphere in 50 minutes. Calculate the rate of reaction in terms of changes in pressure per minute means atmosphere per minute, and two question is asked, molarity per second. Now rate of reaction is equal to change in pressure upon taking time in minute. So 2 atmosphere minus 1.2. So change in pressure is 0.8. In how much minute? 50 minutes. So atm per minute comes our answer. 0.8 divided by 50. So it will be 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 2 atmosphere per meter. Now we have to derive rate of reaction in molarity per second. So we have to use formula PV is equal to nRT. So P is equal to N upon V RT. N upon V means concentration, mole per liter. So mole per liter is equal to P upon RT. So this is concentration. Change in concentration comes P upon RT. So here change in pressure 0.8. Here 0.0821. Temperature 25. In Kelvin 298. So it will be answer in concentration comes 0.0327. 0.0327. This is change in concentration. So now rate equal to change in concentration upon time. 0.0327 divide by 50, but this one in minute, asked in second. This step is now molarity. Minute into second. So 50 multiplied by 60. So 1.09 into 10 raised to minus 5 molarity per second means mole per liter per second. This is our answer. Understood? Now next question. Here we are solving most timely questions for the reaction at 273 Kelvin. For the reaction at 273 Kelvin, NO gas plus O3 gas gives NO2 gas plus O2 gas. It is observed that the pressure of NO falls, decrease falls 700 millimeter mercury to 500 millimeter mercury into 50 seconds. Calculate the average rate of reaction in atmosphere per second, otherwise in mole, otherwise in both. The આ રિએક્શનમાં ઓબ્ઝર્વેડ પ્રેશર ઓફ NO ફોલ્સ 700 millimeter પ્રેશર હતું. It decreased to 500 into 50 seconds. The same average rate equal to change in pressure upon taking time in second. Yes. So change in pressure 700 minus 500 in 250 second. So 200 divided by 250. So, but here in millimeter, don't make mistake. We have to take answer in atmosphere per second. 760 millimeter is equal to 1 atmosphere. So when we have convert millimeter into atmosphere, so we have to divide by 760. So 200, 250 and 760. So we get answer in atmosphere per second, and answer is 1.053 into 10 raised to minus 3. Atmosphere per second. Yes. Now, in molarity, we discussed about it. PV is equal to nRT by using formula PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. Using this formula, N upon V RT. So it should be concentration, so P upon RT. So change in concentration is equal to change in pressure upon RT. So change in pressure is 200 millimeter. In atmosphere, divide by 760 and 0.082 into 73. So, and also divide by time 250. So our answer in molarity 4.7 into 10 raised to minus 5 mole per liter per second. Unit of rate remain constant, mole per liter per second. Now, many times question asked this type of, we are going on that question. In the following, reaction, how is the rate? How is the rate of appearance of the underlined produced product related to the rate of appearance, disappearance of the underlined reactant. Disappearance means use થાય છે. Appearance means produce થાય છે. It means decomposed. Here produced. Reaction is given This is our reaction of book. Here O3 minus 5Br minus plus 6H plus gives 3Br2 and 3H2. Underline is given in bromine and Br minus. So we know rate equal to minus 1 by 5 dBr minus upon dt equal to plus 1 upon 3 dBr2 upon dt. So this appearance rate equal to 5 comes here. So 5 by 3 dBr2 upon dt. This is rate of this appearance using ratio, using rate of Br minus reference to. Now appearance. So from this equation 3 dBr2 upon dt, 3 comes here, minus 3 by 5 dBr minus upon dt. This is our answer. Now next the following reaction was carried out in water. 2I minus plus Cl2 gives 2Cl minus plus I2. The initial concentration of I minus was 0.25 mole per liter, and concentration after 10 minutes was 0.23 mole per liter. Calculate the rate of this appearance of I minus and rate of appearance of I2. I minus is reactant, I2 is product. This appearance means using rate, here producing rate. So change in concentration of I minus 0.25 minus 0.23, so 0.02 in 10 minutes. So rate equal to change in concentration upon time. So here using rate, this appearance rate reference to I minus will be 0.02 divided by 10 minutes. So 0.002 mole per liter per minute. Now appearance rate. What is the appearance rate of I2? So compare these two. Minus di minus 1 by 2 upon dt equal to plus 1 by 2 di2 upon dt. 2 moles 1 by 2. So 2 comes here. So di2 upon dt is equal to, no, here 1 mole, so here 1 only, yes. So appearance of di2 upon dt, rate minus 1 by 2 minus d I minus upon dt, which is derived. So 0.002 divided by 2 gives 0.001 mole per liter per minute. This is our answer. Understood? Now last question of the day. Last question of the day. A chemical reaction proceeds as follows. A plus C gives D and F. F plus B gives G. And G plus C gives E. Rate law. Overall unit for the rate constant derive overall reaction. Then rate law. Unit of K and order of the reaction. First reaction is slow. Second and third is fast. Here assuming all these steps are elementary. So here G cut, then FF cut. So overall reaction A plus B plus C gives D plus E. Understood? First answer. Overall reaction. Now rate law. So slower steps should be rate determinating. So rate is equal to K A into C. So this one is elementary. The one step માં થઈ જાય છે. So rest is 1 1. Mole is 1, rate is 1. So order of reaction is 2. And now unit of K. We know for secondary reaction K. Tell me, think about it. Rate of rate constant unit. Inverse of zero order. Mole inverse liter raised to 1 and second inverse. Bye. I hope you enjoy your lecture. Do practice from reference book. Bye.